mag-play tayo ng paint or sick. Ayan, mag-play tayo nun. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang, guys, ah. Galing ko talaga sa game na to. Yung black. Na-charge ako.
Charge mo kay papa mo, ha? Huwag ikaw magsaksak.
Dito ako ma-charge.
Doon ka na. Wala kang charge yan dito. Charge mo kay papa mo.
Lalaro ako eh. Laro.
Beat down to 4. Astana. Roy's going to try to take on his punch, throw the Rosario. Remember, they used to run together. Oh, here's with the left layup. Celtic him off the bench.
Those are big points. So if you're coming off the bench and you're just playing a few minutes, you get 4 points for your team. That's good.
Quality minutes being done.
How we use technology to deliver energy to millions.
Imagine these tea bags are your skin. Let's spray 2 of them with Rexona. Without Rexona, tapos agad ang sweat and odor. Pero with Rexona, protected ka up to 72 hours. Tanda mo dyan, ang gamot mo, magaling mo dyan.
Yay!
Gusto pa, tanggal ang hilap, ipit.
Yay, bro! Yay! Yay, bro! Yay, bro! Yay, bro! Play again! Play again! Play again! Gana, baby.
This play.
Okay, let's
Oh, the help
be.
defense from Astana. Yet the back all the way. Hope will release. Ayaw pa rin. Kim O'Leary gets a rebound. 8-point defense at night. Hindi na pumasok ni Jalen Hope, who has been struggling offensively in the series.
Okay, guys, dito naman tayo sa...
Going to Astana. Little bit of daylight, pero nasa harapon ito si Roy Rosario. Bogoy now with 5 on the shot clock. He's going to try. Drive against Troy. Falling away. Gets it to go. Mataas ang degree of difficulty.
Oo, nakakaubusin yung shot clock eh.
Under pressure with the defender in your face. But he faded away for that bucket. He is up to 8 lead of the game so far. 2:15 remaining. Abadientos to Troy. Troy, the short range. He gets it to go. Again, got taken and the roll by Troy Rosario. Matanda stopping in his tracks and taking a jumper. Talagang bagay si Troy Rosario now offensively in this game. We're under 2 minutes to go in the first half. Oh, here's one-hander going to the cover. Outside to Bogoy. He drives the lane. There's going to be a foul from Troy Rosario, who's claiming that Bogoy slapped his arm away. The referee foul out.
Kasi tinatawag niya si Brownlee eh.
The timeout tayo with 1:45 remaining in the half. Timeout brought by Soler Online. Ready to get your way on Soler Online Sportsbook.
We're gonna expect him. Did you lose your mind, Dad? Special day, diba? Birthday.
sa ating laban dito sa Mall of Asia Arena. Now enjoying the game. Ricky Vargas, that's right, you mentioned.
Our SVP President Ricky Vargas is in the building along with Mr. Robert Uy, the Vice President of SVP. And of course, Mr. Ricky Vargas not only is the President of the SVP, but as we mentioned earlier, Chairman and siya ng PBA.
You know, the game 6, reminiscent of the Wild Wild West. With the long gunslinger, hindi lang 6 shooter.
Guys, like the video if I finish it. Yes, I finished.
You know, both of them actually scored more than 50% of their total score for the whole team. That means the rest of their team scored less than 50%. Grabe talaga ginawa nitong dalawang
Brownie is scoring
Ang galing ko talaga. Guys, like the video if
is really good, no? No violent
the garden is gonna pick it. Greenhouse, that's gonna be good.
So far.
Okay, so far.
Outside shot is off target. The tip in. Go. Trying again. Wala pa rin. Scotty Thompson and Kogoy are locked in the dead ball.
Both teams in penalties now.
I need to
Big Steve pero para si Stephen Holt. And so far, wala pang score si Holt. And he's not holding his own either in terms of defending the TNT players.
We haven't pointed out, as Kogoy jumps against Thompson, it was actually our Kogoy's birthday yesterday. His birthday siya kahapon. A year older, maybe wiser. But he's not a championship siguro.
Boy!
Jump it. Go into the paint. Magaan sila. That's going to be a foul on Chris McCullough. But there's a bit of color between Aguilar and McCullough. There's a sub off earlier as well when Japet first checked into the game. These two competitors going at it.
Well, good move on the part of Japet because tinetesting niya ang depensa na sila. And you need to put some defensive or rather offensive pressure sa depensa na sila. Getting him found trouble, getting off his offensive pace. But they didn't play tough defense.
Free throw good para kay Japet. The Grizzlies veteran na kasi Japet again. Remember when he was such a young, lanky player, just trying to make his mark. Ateneo, and then he left, and then he came back after a few games.
By the way, guys, Black Water team owner Giselle Ducey, nasa Bacolod siya ngayon, and he's there watching this game. He's also there for his good friend, si Eugene of Cup of Coffee. Happy birthday daw kay paring Eugene.
Easy lang, sir, sa Batoy.
Oh,
Aurin goes to Oftana. Kogoy picks it up. Under a minute to go. Kogoy will get into the paint. He's straight over Japet and get it to go. Get it in.
That is money shot actually.
that's 8 points for Poroy. What a two-way player. Siya ang defense kay Brownlee. Siya ang gumagawa on the other end of the floor. That's why I call him the X-Factor ng TNT.
Berkey's still playing at this level after 6 games and a half. Japet will put it in. That's the floater. Good feed the Scotty sa kanya. Scotty's really a triple threat.
Exactly. They're finding the open man when they're being doubled, then that's what happened there.
Referente na tinawag kasi Coach Trump with 20.4 to go, try to knock up something, maybe extend this 5-point lead back matapos ng ating first half. But Dean, I know you're going to give a recap of your teams list later on at the half and all of that, but what are you seeing so far that TNT is doing correctly?
I'm seeing tough defense on the part of TNT. And also Arar Paloy, kasi nasabi natin, the way he's been able to manage his minutes on the floor, defending Brownlee, scoring on the other end. And as far as the defense of TNT is concerned, it's not just on Brownlee, who by the way, already has 14 points, but it's also on Jake Aparientos, who only has 4 points. Hindi pa nga nakaka-score si Aparientos sa second quarter.
Here's that short jumper from Arar Paloy. He's done it 2 or 3 times already here in the first half. And then Scotty giving it up to Japet. That's what happened right before this time out was called.
Ayun, napapag-usapan din ng barangay that if RJ Barrientos is harassed and not able to get his usual shots, others have to start contributing. And Scotty Thompson has answered the call. Points siya ngayon. Japet Aguilar, this quarter. As you saw the South,
Yay, guys!
7
Like
points
for more to get!
President Chris McCullough standing
More get skip again, please, hiders. Like the video for the and subscribe to
That's gonna be a foul,
ano,
and it's gonna be 2 free throws.
2 free throws across the tip-off.
Yeah.
to win the
Shooting.
win. Yes, hider, we need to win.
The girls, the guys.
Like the video, guys.
Coach Steve didn't like that call. He felt we played good enough defense.
Please like, okay, you like it.
You don't know if it's rebounding or just taking the ball in. Kaya mahirap
Yeah, 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 yeah.
But 2.1 seconds to go, tumawag yung referee.
Because referee Jeff Pankaj making that call. Last 2.1 second substitution. Ian O'Neill comes in. Gabunti will come in as well. Ibuna si Pagoy. Ibuna rin si Calvin Estana.
Bro!
Talk about loose ball foul.
And also putting in some defenders. Gabuntin especially. A tough defender. Also, he might be able to get a rebound kung sumasakali mag-intis si McCullough. Hindi naman naman si Intis eh.
So si Coach Steve naman ang gagamit ang kanyang 30-second timeout. Here's Bernal. Make a quick
Please, okay.
Master.
Huwag ka sasandal, wala ako sa likuran, no?
those timeouts. 2.1 seconds remaining.
You know, we're not seeing the kind of
Saan mo electric fan?
exclusiveness na
Ring, 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 ring.
McCullough, 17 points lamang. Because we know both these guys are capable of scoring in the 50s. Pero sa second half, palagay ko, magpapakita ito dalawa. Tingin mo ako.
Tama, defensive game and actually pagka-defensive ko nag-uusapan natin, I think may konting advantage dito yung TNT. They've been forcing the turnovers, getting easy baskets, easy layups in transition. And then, kanina yung mainit si Jordan Hedin. They had a good start with that, but so far, hindi pa pumuputok ulit si Jordan Hedin.
The second quarter.
Now, on the point that you made about defense, eto meron akong hinahanap pa. TNT sa 3 wins sila sa finals, they've held Ginebra to 94 points. But in the 3 losses ng TNT, ako yung Ginebra nakascore ng 106 a game.
Look at the scoring of the imports from game to game. Akyat pa ba ng konti? But these past 3 of the 4 games of what a rough 41, 32, 54, 52 back against the ground.
2.1 seconds.
With high percentage shooting, huh? Okay, 2.1. Drawing it again. Abarientos will heave. It was in line. But he got the board. So natapos ang ating first half. Namanggap ito ang TNT 47 to 40. Not scoring heavily yet itong dalawa. But still at one of the show. Both double digits already. Chris McCullough and Dr. Brown. You see Brown attacking the paint. Getting free throws as well. McCullough, the perimeter jumper wasn't going early.
Oh no, she find it.
Wonderful.
Yes, it's still an import battle here.
Happy,
The score was over in game 5 and game 6, but it's still them two guys trying to cancel each other out.
That's right. We're going to go with the numbers after a short break dito sa RPTV. This is Game 7 of the PBA Commissioner's Cup.
don't find me only.
Join us a little bit later on.
Look. No! Guys! Why did you not like it? I'm angry. Why did you not like it? It's your fault, guys, because you not like it. It's your fault. It's your fault, guys. It's your fault. It's your fault, guys. Why did you do that? It's your fault, guys. Why did you do that? It's your fault. Become next seeker. I don't want to be seeker because that's so hard, bro. wanna become a seeker. Wait a minute! Guys, wait a minute, guys. Okay. Wait, why did I do?
Ikaw ba, alam mo ang tap-tap-sen at gumagamit ka ba ng tap-tap-sen? Yes, tap-tap-sen ang ginagamit ko kapag nagpapadala ko sa Facebook. Kakapadala ko ng message.
Think like Bro! Daddy, is a new update. Is that an update? Why is like that? Get showed. I mean record.
Ikaw ba, alam mo ang tap-tap-sen at gumagamit ka ba ng tap-tap-sen? Yes, tap-tap-sen ang ginagamit ko kapag nagpapadala ko sa Facebook. Kakapadala ko ng message.
Kinagawa ko niya. Yo, this game is staying. That's the game, bro. Bro, the game asking me. Ask it. Cheese. Cheese. Bro, cheese.
Ikaw ba, alam mo ang tap-tap-sen at gumagamit ka ba ng tap-tap-sen? Yes, tap-tap-sen ang ginagamit ko kapag nagpapadala ko sa Facebook. Kakapadala ko ng message.
Guys, do you see something? Bro, who's this? Who's that? I am on the camera. Oh, who's the bro? Over here. Are you serious? Oh, fine. Bro, she's annoying. Bro, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. What the hell? What are you sitting over? You died. Why did I die?
Taptapsin at dumadami ko na ng taptapsin. Yes,
No, I have 1 Robux. Do you say 90 Robux? I think I found something. Why I didn't see that? Wala ba na hindi Bro, what is At 4 What the hell? Bro, why did I vote to get that? Why did you not subscribe?
taptapsin at dumadami ko na ng taptapsin. Yes, taptapsin ang ginagamit ko kapag nagpapadala ko sa Pilipinas. Kaya papadala ko lang na.
Office, bro. Guys, office. Guys, can't you click the like button and then subscribe? Because I'm sorry. Because you are not supposed to be doing this. You're gonna help me, not helping them. I said helping me, not helping them. Why did you do that?
Ikaw ba, alam mo ang taptapsin at dumadami ko na ng taptapsin. Yes, taptapsin ang ginagamit ko kapag nagpapadala ko sa Pilipinas. Kaya papadala ko lang na.
What is happening? No. Bro, what is happening? Why the Okay, you're gonna regret it. What did happen to my camera? No!
Ikaw ba, alam mo ang tap-tap sen at gumagamit ka ba ng tap-tap sen? Yes, tap-tap sen ang ginagamit ko kapag nagpapadala ko sa Pilipinas. Kaya papadala ko lang last year.
Camera natin na. Guys, look at it. Who is this people? Whoa, who is this people? Who is this people? Who is that people? This is the yeah, guys. Chopo.
Units and requirements. Mentos
This is a good spot.
After one, it was Ginebra up by 2 by the second quarter. 31 points for TNT and they turned the game around up by 7.
Okay.
As expected, it's been a tight game. Medyo may pisikanan. But as you described it, Coach Jen, naging defensive game ang nangyari yun.
Tama yan. Pero ako ang napansin ko dun sa takbo ng laro. Usually the transition points 10-0 going for TNT. No? So that means they're playing a little bit faster than Ginebra is.